Hello everyone and welcome back to Shass's Therapy TV. In today's video, we're bringing everything together by exploring all of the major systems of the human body. We'll look at what each system does and how massage therapy can positively support its function. Whether you're studying anatomy and physiology, training to become a therapist, or simply interested in learning more about your body, this video is for you. Let's get started. The skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones along with joints, cartilage, and ligaments. It provides structure, protects vital organs, stores minerals such as calcium, and works together with muscles to allow movement. Massage doesn't directly affect bones, but it helps reduce tension around joints and muscles, improving flexibility, posture, and overall mobility. The muscular system. The muscular system allows us to move, maintain posture, produce body heat, and support our joints. We have over 600 muscles throughout the body. Massage is especially beneficial for the muscular system. It helps relieve muscle tension, reduces stiffness, improves flexibility, encourages healing after exercise, and can decrease delayed onset muscle soreness. The circulatory system. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood, arteries, veins, and capillaries. Its job is to transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products around the body. Massage helps encourage healthy circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach tissues more efficiently while supporting the removal of metabolic waste. Improved circulation may also leave you feeling more energized and refreshed. The lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is responsible for draining excess fluid, filtering waste, and supporting the immune system by helping the body fight infection. Massage, particularly lymphatic drainage massage, can help stimulate lymph flow, reduce swelling, encourage detoxification, and support the body's natural immune processes. The nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It controls communication throughout the body, allowing us to think, move, feel sensations, and respond to our environment. Massage encourages relaxation by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest response. This can reduce stress, lower anxiety, improve sleep quality, and promote an overall sense of well-being. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, and ovaries or testes. These glands produce hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, mood, and many other body functions. Massage cannot directly change hormone production, but by reducing stress, it may help lower cortisol levels while encouraging the release of feel-good hormones such as serotonin and dopamine, supporting emotional well-being. The respiratory system. The respiratory system includes the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. It brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide. Massage helps relax the muscles involved in breathing, particularly those around the neck, shoulders, chest, and upper back. This may promote deeper breathing and help people feel less restricted during respiration. The digestive system. The digestive system includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, intestines, and rectum. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and removes waste. Massage encourages relaxation, which supports the digestive process. Gentle abdominal massage may also help stimulate bowel movements, relieve bloating, and improve comfort for some individuals. The urinary system. The urinary system includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. It filters waste from the blood, regulates fluids, and helps maintain electrolyte balance. Massage supports the urinary system indirectly by improving circulation and encouraging relaxation. Staying well hydrated after a massage also supports the body's natural waste removal processes. The reproductive system. The reproductive system enables reproduction and produces reproductive hormones. Massage may help reduce stress, improve circulation, ease muscular discomfort, and promote relaxation. Some specialized treatments, such as pregnancy massage, can also provide comfort during pregnancy when performed safely by a qualified therapist. The integumentary system. The integumentary system consists of the skin, hair, nails, sweat glands, and oil glands. It protects the body from injury, regulates temperature, prevents infection, and provides sensation. Massage improves blood flow to the skin, encourages healthy tissue nourishment, supports skin elasticity, and promotes relaxation. Using quality massage oils can also help maintain skin hydration. Bringing it all together. Although each body system has its own unique function, they all work together to keep us healthy. Massage therapy supports the body as a whole by encouraging relaxation, improving circulation, reducing muscular tension, supporting lymphatic flow, and enhancing overall well-being. It's important to remember that massage is a complementary therapy. It is not a replacement for medical diagnosis or treatment, but it can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another anatomy and physiology lesson. Also, be sure to check out my individual videos where I explore each body system in more detail and explain exactly how massage supports them. I'll see you in the next video.